messing with the sauce. Alrighties, after I lost my lock key for my wheels, I found a different one that works, and I'm sure I'll find the damn other lock key that I was just using, but I gotta put the sensor, the ABS sensor in here, and I don't remember where the fuck it put.
You're an idiot. Alright.
Should be a fun time. I'm back. This grommet goes in here. I gotta put this here, I guess. I think like this. I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll take this bolt out, obviously. This attaches into there on the bracket. And then this is a random ass bolt I found because I lost this bolt, of course. This is from a quad, LOL. This is just temporary until I get the right bolt. Who knows? But she's snug. I'll tighten it a little bit later. I'm gonna put this on here, and I don't know if you can see. It's this wire right here. Comes in. That's where the grommet is. That's where it connects. That's your ABS sensor, your wheel speed sensor. This controls everything in the car. If this sensor is ripped or not in, your check engine light, your basically nothing will work. Your traction control, check engine light, nothing will work. So, and my gears don't work. Like the gear on the display doesn't work. So now that it's in, everything should work when I start the car. Here. Looks like the check engine light's still on, so I'm gonna disconnect the battery and then connect it again and see if that changes anything. It looks like this also still doesn't work. Seems like I fixed the car. There's no more check engine light. It tells me what gear I'm in. All the sensors should be working now. It has hill assist and the mirrors. This is a fully loaded STI, so it has everything. So what happens is when I hit the gas and I let go, it's like mad jerky. Now it doesn't do it anymore. So we fixed it. I already knew what was wrong with the car. I knew the wheel speed sensor, the ABS sensor was broken. I just never fixed it because when I went to the dealership, they wanted $200 for it. And then I found a place that would ship it to me for cheaper, so I bought it. And then they pretty much robbed me. They sent me a totally different part for like a legacy. They never sent me what I ordered, and I called them and I told them about it, and they were like, oh, don't worry, we'll handle it. They said that they were gonna ship me. Of course I stall it. I figure out how to turn off hill assist. Now it's different. The whole clutch, it feels different. I can go to DMV now and get the car inspected, because the whole point of me doing this was because the car got rejected. So they had like this inspection checkpoint shit, and they got a lot of people, and they got me. They gave me like a thing that I have to fix it, whatever. I think DMV is, I don't know if DMV is still open. It's 4 o'clock, probably not. So I'll just go tomorrow, get the car inspected, and we should pass.
The next day.
If you guys don't know, if you're missing that ABS sensor, it'll throw off the stock map on your car, and then your car will drive like shit, which is what my car was doing. So yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, she drives way better now. She feels like she has boost again. I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Yeah, bye. Alright, well, a little update if anybody gives a shit. The car passed the inspection. I was trying to get my dad's reaction because he was in the driveway, and I didn't see him when I came in, so he wasn't home. And I guess he just pulled in, but I missed him. Anyway, fucking car passed inspection. That's cool. They check, like, New Jersey. If you guys aren't from New Jersey inspection is so fucking annoying because they check everything. They check, like I said before, your horn, your lights, your fucking your turn signals, obviously. And then they put a mirror underneath your car to see, like, if you're leaking anything or how low your car is. Stupid shit like that. They literally check everything. So in New Jersey, you have to be pretty cautious, I guess you could say, with what you got. There's a car in front of me driving like literally like 19 miles an hour. But anyway, now I know why he's driving 19 miles an hour. They just fucking fixed the ground, and it's all disgusting. I don't know why I came this way. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next clip. I don't really have anything to say. I'm basically doing like a little review on this. So I don't even know how I want to start the damn video, but essentially I'm going to be talking about, you know, how long I've owned the car, how much I like the car, the issues I've had with the car, is it worth buying right now compared to the VB, shit like that is basically what I'm going to be making a video on. And bro, what the fuck, it's all, there's just loose gravel everywhere because they fixed the road and they don't do it right. You didn't fix any of the potholes, you just made them worse. I'm gonna have asphalt on my paint now. Anyway, I'm gonna go and wash my car now. What the fuck?